Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is design management. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, design management is a process of activities and production in general. It got the following characteristics. It is the efficient, practical, and punctual way to develop products, service, or business model that have design as their main axis, whether are graphic, industrial, multimedia, etc. This process is complementary to the design thinking methodology and is used in a way parallel, not just with design thinking but any other agile methodology. Whenever you talk about management, you are talking about execution and making things happen. Design management is a process that allows to any type of uh, productive requirement that has design as a priority. Okay, so when we talk about design management, we are talking about like the different ways that we have to develop product, service, or business model. We got the following structure. Every requirement or every development start with a requirement. But if we are using design thinking on any other agile methodology, it's very important to understand that we start from a need. A need is very important because when we got that, we start making the brief. The brief is the document where we got all the characteristics and specification. It's very important to work with empathy because otherwise we will not understand why are we doing what we are doing and what is the need and why it's important to focus in a development. After that, it's very important to define what, define the responsibilities in the project. So because we have a group, we have to give and put all the tasks with each one of the characters. When we define that, we go to ideate. Ideate what? The concept of design and also the different ideas that we have to our product, service, or business model. As you can see, we have the design thinking stage and the development that we make in each one of these stages when we are working design management. After that, it's very important we go to prototype. Prototype what? The concept development, that is very important. After that, we are going to evaluate and testing the prototype that we make in the previous stage. It's very important to understand that when we got our product or service completely done, we will go to start making all the stage to market to a specific audience and also to advertise. That is the 6 stages. When you go to the market, you start implementing and the user start using their development, but the user will he will don't know if that exists if you don't make all the marketing and advertising. That is very important. So when you make design management, you can work in parallel with design thinking. However, it's very important to understand that marketing and advertising is extremely important to focus on the development. As a conclusion, we can say that design management allows to develop any product requirement that have design as an axis. It is important to be clear that the management of design is worked in parallel to design thinking and other complementary elements. The key in this process is to be clear that managing means that you can develop a need and make it real. You have to make a production activity and develop according with the expectations. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be a big help in your development. Please subscribe to our channel Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that we already have a couple of courses in Udemy. In the description of this video is the link. And thank you to all of you. We are the #1 design thinking channel and agile channel in the whole YouTube universe. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time.